Hi friends, it's Jen again. We're always seeing news stories like this. Well, today, art history meets artificial intelligence. With AI, we can create a long-lost masterpiece every day. Move over, Indiana Jones. We're the new art archaeologists. Think about it. Great artists like Van Gogh and Vinci had countless sketches and paintings that never saw the light of day. Maybe the works were lost, or the artists got distracted by social media trolls. We're tapping into a fanciful world of art, architecture, and design. Stick around to the end and we'll do a bit of artistic time travel. The prompt I'm using today is simple. You can replace Van Gogh with any artist that intrigues you. You might add a couple of descriptive words that pinpoint what you like about Van Gogh's style. Let's say vivid, emotional, and sunflowers. The goal is to be specific enough to guide the AI, but also leave room for creativity. Let's run the prompt in a couple of AI image generators and see what masterpieces happen. Fingers crossed. Here's what the AI thinks an undiscovered Van Gogh looks like. Notice the swirls, the vivid colors, and emotional intensity. Very Van Gogh-esque, right? It's Van Gogh 2.0. If you're familiar with Starry Night or Sunflowers, you can see some of the similarities, but also some unique elements that make it a true, undiscovered masterpiece. Let's uncover a couple more undiscovered masterpieces from the world of architecture and the fashion houses of Milan. The AI captures the style and the subject of the masters, but you have a magic AI image generator. You're not restricted to reality or historical timelines. Imagine if Van Gogh lived down the street from you.
Hey,
you could knock on his door and you can ask him to paint your dog, and finally Fido gets his 15 minutes of fame. And this artist doesn't even expect a commission. Maybe you have a time machine and Van Gogh visits you in New York City. And yes, I did see that Doctor Who episode. Or maybe you commission your own portrait with an image prompt. Juxtaposing modern subjects with artistic masterpieces is a great way to add depth and complexity, making your image more engaging and thought-provoking. Substitute any artist you love and create undiscovered masterpieces. But remember, these images are for your creative phone only. No selling these lost masterpieces to the highest bidder. Unless you want your life to be the movie plot for Ocean's 14. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse into a world where lost art is rediscovered through the lens of AI. If this video kicked up some creativity, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And share your favorite undiscovered masterpieces in the comments below. We'd really love to see what you come up with. This is Jen at Making the Photo. Let's make something amazing together.